if you qualify for VA healthcare, do you need Medicare? If you get TriCare Prime, you're getting TriCare and you're not yet 65. What happens when you turn 65? Let's start with the VA, because that is not an easy question. Do you need Medicare? No. The VA is a federal healthcare system over here. Medicare is a separate federal healthcare system over here. You don't need Medicare to go to the VA. And to summarize it, VA doesn't work out here. So they're two systems unto themselves. A lot of veterans do choose to have both, to have their VA coverage and to sign up for Medicare Part B. They often buy a private Medicare Advantage plan because they want some of the extra benefits that they can get there. Why would you need this if you have this? And like I said, you have to pay for Medicare Part B. The average person in 2023 will be paying about $165 a month for Medicare Part B. So if you only get your care from the VA, you're very comfortable with the care they provide, you live close to a VA facility, you're okay with the waits, you're aware of the wait times, and you're happy with it, you don't need Medicare Part B because you're happy getting all your care there. And I have a lot of veterans say they're completely happy. A lot of them signed up for Part B because they thought they had to, and they're like, do I have to? No, you don't have to. If you want to get all your care from the VA, you don't have to have B. It's not a part of getting care at the VA. And if you're not using it, you can drop it. You'll file CMS-1173. Google the form. That's how you will cancel your Medicare Part B and stop them taking that $165 a month out of your Social Security. Make sure you fully understand what you're doing and that you understand that if you later want Part B and a Medicare Advantage, that you might have a penalty for dropping it. So it's something you might need an individual consultation with. Just call us and we can talk to you privately. But in general, if you're happy getting all your care at the VA, you don't need Medicare Part B. If you can afford Medicare Part B, I really like my veterans to have Medicare Part B and a zero premium Medicare Advantage. They're not available in every county. But if there is one where you live that's specially designed for veterans, so you'll still get your drugs through the VA because it's better than through Medicare. These plans are built for veterans if they're available where you live. And if there's a lot of military retirees, Florida, Texas, Arizona, there's a good chance there is a plan like that around you. Those are really great plans that you might look into to have with the VA. Because if there ever is a line at the VA, the wait's too long for your knee surgery, you just go boom, you have private insurance. Plus you can avail yourself to all the special extras in your private insurance. And it just gives you options, like when you're traveling. There's extra benefits. You watch TV, you see what they're talking about all the time. Money for food, groceries, utilities, cell phone. That might be available where you live. We would have to talk to you about your zip code, what plans are available in your actual zip code. So that's the VA. How about TriCare? You're a military retiree and you're like, what happens at 65? It automatically turns into TriCare for Life, which is the Medicare supplement type of plan for government retirees and their family members. So I've had people say, well, I don't need Medicare Part B because I have TriCare. They figured this out the hard way. If you turn 65, the first day of the month that you turn 65, your TriCare for Life will turn into TriCare for Life. And if you do not have Medicare for Part B, poof, it terminates. Not forever. You don't lose it. It's your benefit, but it's gone. And you're going to have to claw your way back to go sign up for Medicare Part B, which you can only do January, February, and March of each year. So don't be calling me in April and saying, I messed this up, because now we got a long slog to wait till next January to get Part B back, to get your TriCare for Life back. It is a mistake people make very commonly. So if you have any friends, share this information. You must have Medicare Part B to be eligible for TriCare for Life. You got to get it. You got to pay for it. A lot of people think it's going to be free. No, you will pay for your Medicare Part B. The average person in 2023 will pay about $165 a month. You could pay more than that based on your income from 2 years prior, and have other videos that explains what I call the rich tax for people that make more. You might not be paying $165 a month. It might be a lot more. So that's the VA and TriCare. I have a longer video on military benefits that will go into CHAMP VA and these two other topics in more depth on our website. at themedicarefamily.com. And again, if you need help with these important decisions, we're licensed in all 50 states. We represent over 60 different insurance companies. We're independent contractors. So we don't care which one you buy. We're just trying to help you find a plan you're most comfortable with. And you can reach us online at themedicarefamily.com, or you can comment below here on YouTube. And if you don't subscribe, you should feel very guilty. And all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. Thanks. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.